Alright, how to replace the range hood there. That's my old one. I bought a new one here, this stainless steel bad boy. Basically, you see your little net or your little filter right there. What you want to do, take this cover off. You see this right here? There's a screw right here. I already took it off. All you do is take that screw off. This, you see, it's got two clips here and here, and that pops off. Just fold it up right here and pull it out. Set that aside. Easily goes back on. What you have here is this is the ground screw. You have your hot and then your neutral over here. So you're going to connect those in to the new spot. So let's go over here and do the same thing. You can see I already took this cover off. Same way. Took off the wire nuts that go onto here. And what you're going to do is, this has 4 screws on it. You can see on each corner it has 4 screws. It has one right here, one right there. Same thing over here, right there, and one over there. And that's what we're going to take off. So the first thing you want to do is turn the power off, obviously. I shouldn't have to tell you that. You can use one of these pen testers. You turn it on and it will tell you if there's power or not. Obviously, you want to do this on the old wires coming in from the wall. Nice click off. Get rid of it from back, and then you just got to pull forward because the cable from the wall is coming out. So that's it. It is off. As you can see, this is the cable. This is the Romex cable coming from the wall. That's what it's called here. You have the ground. You have the ground copper cable here. Oops. You have the ground copper cable here, and then obviously your white and black. So now we're going to install it, and to install it, you have to punch out this little hole right here. If your power is coming from the top, you obviously punch out that one. Mine's from the wall back here, so I have to punch that out. Also, I suggest you write on that card back there when you installed it, so you know, so you can replace these. So I'm sure there's some easier ways, but I'm just going to use a screwdriver here and pop that bad boy out by working it. You can see it there. I'll continue on. Alright, so if you have 2 people doing this, it's probably a little easier, but myself right now, I'm just doing it by myself. So, you have to grab the Romex and feed it through. I have a nice little shelf right here. I can leave mine on for a second. Alright, and you should have got screws that came with it. You know, this is easier without the stove in front of you. Now, grab yourself a pair of needle nose, and what we're going to do here is bend the ground wire. Give it a nice loop. Ground is in. Now you take your white and your black, match them up. If you don't have wire nuts, you need them. You could reuse the old wire nuts, but I choose not to. And I noticed that these are a little big, so I'm just going to trim them. Okay, I feared that. So what we're going to do, take these wires apart and then wrap them on there, on the solid. Because I stranded wire. As always, when you're done, you want to grab and pull. If you can't pull it out, then it's good. We're going to do the same to this one. Black tape isn't needed. I just like to. Makes you feel better. Okay, I thought I should just show it anyway. One thing to note is this light bulb bad boy right here. To replace it, you need to pinch the sides in. So you see, you pinch, and pull. Way to put the light bulb in. Now test. And moment of truth, it lights on. The fan powers on. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, let's put the light cover back on. And put everything else on. Now, like I showed you, put the cover back on. It's pretty simple. I don't even know that you need my help with this because you're a smart person. Click the two sides in up here. You see they're on the top. Then push in. And you'll now see that there is one screw left right there. Ta-da, and now you did it. Isn't that beautiful? You can take off the wrapper now. That's it. Look at that beautiful shine there. This is a Braun that I got on sale on Amazon. This fan mount. So Braun I got on sale on Amazon Black Friday. It's $56. This old bad boy, ugly, old, and it's so much better now.